10 motivational thoughts. First, you can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Second, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Third, you don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Fourth, I am not going to continue knocking that old door that doesn't open for me. I am going to create my own door and walk through that. Fifth, not having the best situation but seeing the best in your situation is the key to happiness. Sixth, if you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. Seventh, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Eighth, perfection is not attainable, but if we choose perfection, we can catch excellence. Ninth, never bend your head, always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. 10th, if my mind can conceive it, if my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.